Hey there everyone, Abhishek here and welcome back with another video. And in this video, I am gonna unboxing a best keyboard under 500. And this is a very special video if you're going to buy a combo keyboard and mouse. After this video, you do not require to go any other videos and searching there what is the best, what is not for me. It is a last and final video for you. So let's get started and stay tuned with this video. Uh, First of all, I give a 2-star for the courier service by the Flipkart, because I ordered this product on 24th July but I received it in 5th August. So the delivery is very bad. I don't know why Flipkart delivery is very bad day by day. I don't know the reason, but previously when I ordered the something like phone and it is deliver a good, but now it is not giving as we want requested delivery. So the best keyboard in the market leader, if we go to the buy the accessories, any accessories, so in these accessories like peripheral accessories, the market leader of this is Logitech. If you go to the bank, then all the banks basically use Logitech accessories, keyboard, mouse. So Logitech is the best in this. If you go to the HP and Dell, it is also best, but they are take a good charge of the branding and not the money is not cost effective for that product. If you want to get a good product at a good price, affordable price, so Logistic is the best. If I tell you features, you are really like this product. Okay, so I buy this product at around 1195 on the Flipkart. So this product I get, and the main thing is that it is having uh, a round shape buttons and well rounded buttons and a grip touch. So when you go for the typing, then you can easily press keys and you do not facing any pain if you using a long time. So this the model number of this keyboard is MK235, you can see here, and we got a mouse, and this is a adapter, wireless adapter, and it is a simple to use plug and play, that's easy. So if we see the warranty, 1 year warranty we get, and only in this box we got 3 items: first keyboard, then second mouse, then third adapter. So now we remove it, keyboard and mouse. So the mouse is here, like you see I opened it this before, so I received today, I opened this before 1-2 hours. So it is good in packaging and in polythene wrap, it is wrapped in polythene, but after that I remove it, so that's why it is not come in the polythene. So this mouse is also good, it is a small mouse and it is very grip is also very good for this mouse, mainly you when you using for long hours, like you using for office and gaming purpose. So it is the best to hold it mouse, and it is easy for you to compact it. As you see here, the grip is very good for this mouse. Okay, so here we see, when we open this, here we get a USB adapter to connect, and if we remove the main component is keyboard. So here is the keyboard. As we see here, we do not get any lighting, and its lighting, it is depend on your requirement. Sometimes someone want a light in the caps lock to know it is type in uppercase or lowercase, but most of the time we do not need it. It is also save your battery, so it is better uh, if you use without the light. Okay, and the keys is very cool and very rounded. It is also rounded. It is good. Also it not make noise. It is very soft when we type it, and we get a rounded and curly hair. All the buttons, it is slowly down, so, towards the center, slowly down towards the center, so we get the grip when we type the keys. So here we get the function keys also, and here we also get the keyboard, so it is better to use. And if you see here in back side, so in back side we get the extensions, so we can place it and it is easy to do the typing. And when you done your work, you can slightly put up down and it is okay, it is ready. So this is the, and it is also very lightweight. Lightweight is good if you buy a heavy one, so sometimes it is break also, and it is lightweight, it is compatible, and you can easily use and you can carry it in your bag and you can easily move it anywhere. Some keyboard is very long, but it is compact, it is easy to carry in your bag. So this is a whole combo we get. And one thing more, the thing is, here we get the batteries also in the box. So we get the 3 batteries, 2 batteries we placed in the keyboard, and batteries are also good. The batteries we get for with the keyboard is Duracell batteries, so battery is also good. So we push it here. So 2 batteries we get with the keyboard and 1 battery we get for the mouse. So here we place the battery for the mouse. Mouse very light, but we when we put down the battery, so it is takes a weight of battery. So here is the mouse, here is the keyboard, and here is the adapter. I think you get the full overview of it, and it is the best one. If you go to purchase the keyboard combo package, it is better it to purchase a combo. If you go with the keyboard only wireless, if you go on the wireless mouse only, so it is not the better thing, because you can put it when you both buy single, so you can put it 2 adapters, that is not good. But if you buy a combo, so one adapter is okay for both. It is used also mouse and it is also used for the keyboard, so it is better to buy combo one. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. See you soon, bye.